Yo, what up, gang? It's your boy KD, and I got something just for y'all. I got the Lil Uzi vocal preset. I see y'all was fucking with the Kid Laroi vocal preset, so I decided to drop the Lil Uzi preset. And just like with the Kid Laroi preset, I got raw Lil Uzi vocals, real Lil Uzi vocals, and I mixed them. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did through this process. But this would not be one of my videos if I didn't give y'all the before and after, with and without the preset on. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into that right now.
Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's how rad. I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't have a lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's how rad. Inside all white.
No cap. Yeah, after y'all heard that, y'all can tell this preset is very effective and it works wonders. Okay, now let's jump right into the preset. The first thing I threw on this preset was a noise gate to get rid of unwanted background noise. You can tweak the threshold and the attack times if you want to, or if you need to. No matter what you do, that noise gate gonna come in clutch though. You're gonna want that noise gate. Yeah, man, so the next thing we got on that vert preset, we got a de-esser. And we got the frequency set at 5,000. Y'all can check out the threshold. Really, it's gonna change depending on how your mic is. So do what you gotta do with the threshold. But yeah, y'all gonna wanna throw that de-esser on there. So copy that down. Next up, we got an EQ, and I did the easy EQ. Y'all can see everything that I got on here. Y'all can copy it down, change it up if you got to. But this should sound pretty good on this part. Yes, Sirski. So next up, we got the graphic EQ. And here's the part you can get technical on. You can really change up. Because like I said, every mic is different. And if you're using headphones, you're going to have to change the low end some, bring it up some. But on the microphone, it should sound pretty decent. But here's what I got for the graphic EQ, y'all. Next up, we got another EQ, the EQ M3. Here we're just brightening it up some. We're bringing the highs up. We're also cutting a little bit of some mids out. After this, the vocals are starting to sound polished and nice. So copy that down. Y'all with me still? I know I'm going kind of fast. So next up, we got the compression. And I went with the BL1176 for the compressor. Here are the settings I got for that. Just like anything else on this preset, you can change this if it's too much for you. You can swap it out for a different compressor, do whatever you got to do. Now it's time to throw some sauce on the vocals. We got our reverb, and I went with the studio reverb. Here are the settings I got. The reverb gonna change on every song, so y'all can change it. Okay, y'all, so the last thing we got on this vocal chain is some delay. And I went with the ping pong delay. Here are the settings I got for that. That pretty much wraps up the Lil Uzi preset. If y'all fucked with the video, man, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Like and comment if you got any questions. Plenty more presets in the future and more videos. Y'all stay tuned. Go make some music.